Huge bonus video. I think you recognize this crocodile, but I bought this something like 5 days ago. And I could remember this crocodile had two cores. One is over here, yeah. One I have over here. I can put my hand inside. And second is over here, yeah. It's over here. Okay. And first what we need to do, we must clean the crocodile in alcohol. Only a little bit. Okay, we start fixing this one. Making sure this is clean. The alcohol cannot be strong, but then you can destroy your toy. Okay. Now we must using glue and material for fix it. You can use green, then nobody see where is damage, but I using yellow. Okay. Oh, my glue is stuck. Okay, everything should be good. Yeah. First we're using the glue. And now we must wait a moment. Okay, and we put the material for fix on the crocodile. And now we must push it. Okay. And the same in second part. Okay. Again, must waiting 1 second. Okay, and push again. Okay, little bit more glue over here. Waiting. And pull back. Okay, I see. More over here a little bit. Okay. Okay. Now over here should be everything great. Yeah. Now you can see over here have fixed. Now we must pick another hole over here. But here we fix it a different method. A little bit different. So now we're using the same. Okay, using the same. Put the glue. Pick. Okay. And we need more. Whoa. Okay. I think this is the last one. Yeah, this is the last one. and okay, and it's done. Normally we should be waiting 24 hours from inflate this toy, but I try doing this now. Okay. Or no, I think I can wait. I can wait, and I show you in Discord channel picture is everything alright in this crocodile. Or maybe, oh, I know what I'm doing. I can make the most inflation. Okay, let's see. I must move inflate, but I don't know. I pop over here, this crocodile, or only here, I don't remember. That's why I must now inflate. Okay. Slowly. Okay. Oh, not this. This. When you see, just like you see, the crocodile now is fixed. Everything is good with him. And now I have a question for you. I should be pop him again or not? What do you think? I should be pop this crocodile again on service crocodile. I think I create a pool from my channel for you. First, I make this video. I send this video first, and in second, after maybe 1 hour, when this video is published, then I make the pool. I don't know how I can say this, but like I said, I learn the English still, and we will see what's happening with this crocodile. Okay, thank you for watching. New Discord is in the description from this video. You can subscribe and like my channel. You can subscribe and like my channel, but we collecting 1000 subscribe from this channel. And thank you for watching, and see you tomorrow in new video. Bye.